Well, I'm back again. I was kind of worried by the mic, so I'm trying a new one, and I'll narrate the other one other video, and then I'll see if the problem was the other mic or something else. I want you guys to hear me well. Okay, so this was UJ. This is 11 minutes, but recording it takes, I don't know, a couple of hours doing, so just compact the time. So let's see. And I'll start the same way. I move a week into the future until I get to Monday, and I'll start on Monday. And there's a Monday. See the two lines. So now I see, okay, it's an uptrend. There could be a breaker there. Symmetrical move. So that could be a Judas swing. Even though the trend line is up, these two are going down. And if I'd let's just stop. Okay. If I'd refresh the lines, I don't remember if I did. You'd see that the blue one would be changing directions. Just as this one is going in a straight line, and that's just because there's an error of the TMA on the simulator. So I'm looking for a breaker there, and waiting for price to come up to my area. So it doesn't go. It goes now. So I put an order below. As price keeps moving up, I keep adjusting. Okay, I was triggered there. Target. I see a breaker there. I see a full figure there. I put the target. So now I see a new Judas and a new breaker in the middle. I refresh. Okay. Redraw. Pull the fib. So now I'm thinking that price may still come down, so that the breaker is in premium price. So I keep thinking that if it breaks, it would make more sense to come a little lower and then go up. Because if it doesn't break this high, then this is not the breaker. Probably there's an order block here, and it will come up above. Because if this is a breaker, I would like to come a little lower and then go back. So I don't remember what happened. So this is nice. I don't remember what happened. That's the breaker I'm looking for. This was an entry, but I'd be asleep. I'd still be asleep here. That's London. So now another symmetrical move. Well, this cannot be random, these symmetrical moves. So I put the cell there, not the perfect place. Not, it was kind of greedy there. Didn't wait for it to go to the 61.8. As you see, it did. Well, it had some news, and so I got the 2 targets hit there. And now see a market break of structure. And there's a huge liquidity void there. Some of it has to be filled, or should be filled. But I don't know where. I don't even know if it's going to go all the way up to the 114.50. That's where the move started. So I'm looking for a reason to go in. And because I have no block, and I have no higher time frame analysis, because well, I missed that move. Looking for things, they don't exist, so I stop. The trend is down. Some new week. Sorry, new week. And well, when it was kind of obvious that price was not going up again, I saw that it's kind of what Caval's doing. I saw that price, or it looked like price was not going to go up above Monday, so I entered short there at a couple of it meandered around a little bit. Then by New York it went up. If you saw this reversal and you hadn't gone in here, you could always go in here, New York's retracement. So it keeps going down. I changed windows accidentally. Okay. Now look for a retracement, break of structure. There's an OTE, hidden OTE. Didn't enter there. It would have gone to the target. Nice 1 to 3 trade there. Came back. Check the lines to see if structure has not been broken up still. So I could have gone in there if I had missed the day before. See, Jason, this is why I don't pull the fib, the stop very close, because it came back to the OTE. I pull in there because it was Friday. Okay, now you see that the blue line was crossing, was changing. So, and what I do here is I pull the stop in close, but I see that there's a huge move here. So if this is a reversal, it would usually do a kind of a head and shoulders. So it would go down, up, down, up, then down again. What I'm trying to do is get out on this retracement. It should go up now, and then it should retrace, and it should go up somewhere around here. It could go up, fill in this gap, then come back down to get some more liquidity and then move up. So I think I'm probably going to move the stop in almost to break even, and then pull my target in to get too close as pull the fib to see where the retracement would be. You see the line is changing. All these are telling me it's going up now. So I need to get out. I don't want to lose all this profit here. So I see, okay, that probably it's going to come down somewhere here for to get more liquidity. And I pulled my target in to where my entry would be if I was going long. So instead of getting this target, I pulled in my stop, my target closer to the reversal area. And now I think it starts going up. And I put a buy stop. I reversed the position, so I get out. It did come to the middle of this breaker here. I pulled my entry in closer. So it was triggered there on that wick here. That was the breaker. Now I'm looking for break of structure for a hidden OTE. That should be or hidden OTE. I check the lines to see it there. Okay, I put an order above. So I have an entry down here and an entry up there. Targets should be the same. Stop. I'll eventually pull the stop of the first into profit. This is thinking. Remember that I wasn't triggered in this. This is still a buy stop. It's not a buy order. I didn't enter. By now I did. So I put the order and then I was moving down. So now I'm break even on this one. I'm in profit on the first one. This is still stop loss where it was supposed to be, and I adjusted the target to this new swing fib. And there you go. Both targets hit. So this was a 6 for 6. Okay, so that was it.